Meaning of honorific.
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 Honorific. The term honorific refers to a word or phrase used to show respect, esteem, or admiration for an individual. It is typically used to address individuals who hold a higher status, such as government officials, religious leaders, or elders. Honorifics are often found in formal settings, including business meetings, academic environments, and cultural ceremonies. The use of honorifics varies among cultures and languages. They can also be used to express gratitude or appreciation towards someone. Overall, honorifics serve as a way to express respect and help establish social hierarchies.